OnePlus 60 has been certified and there are bright chances that it will be launched in November like the OnePlus 5T and the 3T before that. But a lot of information has been leaked online and there are images as well that show us the design of OnePlus 60. You're watching India Today Tech. I'm Rahul Sethi and let's take a look at what the next OnePlus phone will be like. So if you didn't buy the OnePlus 6 just because you were waiting for the OnePlus 60, this may sound to be good news. The phone has been certified by Eurasian Economic Council, and though this doesn't give any detail about the phone, it just kind of makes sure that the OnePlus 60 is coming. But leaked information has a lot to say about the phone. The images leaked by Twitter user Waqar Khan shows that OnePlus 6 will have a droplet style notch at the top. It's not really a fully bezel-less display like the Vivo Nex or the Oppo Find X, but it looks like OnePlus didn't want to compromise on the build quality or anything else on the OnePlus 60. What's puzzling is placement of ambient and proximity light sensors, as the drop-like notch only has the front camera. But yes, the phone is surely not to come without them. The earpiece could be between the top corner of the screen and the phone body, and similar could be the case with proximity sensor that is integrated into the display. It's a design very similar to the Oppo R17 that was launched recently and also has a droplet style notch. In fact, the leaks say the back of the phone will also be very similar to the Oppo R17. There's a triple camera setup at the back placed vertically in the center. The third camera on the R17 is a 3D ToF sensor, that is a time of flight sensor, which is used for depth sensing and may come into use for augmented reality applications. The rest of the design at the back is similar to OnePlus 6, but what's there to note is that there's no fingerprint scanner on it now. So the only possible explanation to this is either OnePlus 6 could be using an in-display fingerprint scanner, and if not, it may rely just on face unlock like the iPhone X, but that is not really a probable solution because on the notch there's the front camera and there's no space for putting up the IR sensors, which would make the face unlock very much unreliable. So as far as the design goes, the drop-like notch and the triple rear cameras seem to be the great upgrade to the OnePlus 60, but there are other smaller upgrades, smaller but important ones that you should take note of. The phone is said to come with newer dash charging system that will be very similar to the VOOC system used by Oppo phones. The VOOC charging system is able to give 40% of battery in just 10 minutes of charging. Next, it is also expected to come with Android 9 Pie out of the box, and finally it may also get waterproofing. Now if you summarize all the specs, here is what the spec sheet of the OnePlus 60 may look like. OnePlus 60 could have a 6.4-inch AMOLED panel with Full HD Plus resolution. Under the hood, it would run the Snapdragon 845 with 6 or 8 GB of RAM options and 2 or 3 storage options. The cameras on the phone include a 12 plus 20 megapixel dual camera setup accompanied by a third camera as well. At front, the phone may include a 25 megapixel selfie shooter like the Oppo R17, and the battery of the phone is also expected to get a jump, while the rest of the features like Bluetooth 5.0 or aptX HD support will be very similar to the OnePlus 6. Though nothing has been confirmed by the company yet, and this may not be the final OnePlus 60 when it launches in November, but we're expecting a similar price tag and we're expecting a very similar feature set that the Oppo R17 comes with. And do let us know what all features you would want to see on the next OnePlus flagship. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to get latest videos on smartphones and gadgets like this. Thank you for watching.